I don't know how many videos I can make on how to make money on Instagram, but did $15,000 today, so I'm gonna teach you guys how I did that. You guys can replicate it if you'd like, and you're probably gonna learn a few strategies on this video that the other gurus probably left out. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. Likes are going away on Instagram, that's really cool. Stick around to the end of this video to find out why Instagram did that, and my forehead itches a little bit. I don't really think it's a big deal. I'll talk about that a little bit later in this video, and more importantly, screw the likes. Let's talk about how to make money on Instagram, why you should be making more money on Instagram, and how I have been doing it. Because I've been doing it for about 3 years now, a little over 3 years actually. I spent 100 hours per week trying to figure out how to make money on Instagram until I finally figured it out. Quit my job because of it. It's a thing, it works. There's 17 different ways to make 5 figures per month on Instagram. There might be more. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Seriously, do it. Smash the like button right now. Hit it, smash it. Did you like it yet? Okay, all right. So check this out, screen sharing with you guys, want to show you this. So I've been getting a lot of engagement as far as people DMing me on Instagram, and here's all I want you to understand. If you want to make money on Instagram, you need to either offer a product or a service. So if you're in e-commerce, or maybe you're a chiropractor, you have a professional service, maybe you're a plastic surgeon, maybe you want to introduce your own digital product teaching, because that is a big trend and digital information works really well with Instagram. You have to realize that out of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Snapchat, Google, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Instagram is the most engaged platform. So one of the best things you can do is look at the people that are engaging on accounts very similar to yours, that are leaving really intellectual, long-winded comments, and drop a like, drop a comment, give them a follow, strike up conversations, and simultaneously really be working to provide really excessive amounts of value in your niche. You have to have a specialization, okay? So the way not to do this is by just posting random stuff without a direction, all right? Really be informational, really be teaching people, really be instructing, really be providing value. I think we use that term quite loosely, providing value, but when you're providing value and you're very consistently providing value in one niche, that's what you need to be doing. And combat that by making sure that you are showing people you care. Engage them in stories. Like if I pop on Instagram here, let me see, like I ran like a huge story poll the other day, and I started answering people, and I DM'd them, like I started answering these questions, just showing people that I care, right? And then ultimately I ended up getting a lot of direct messages, and you can see in here, there's a bunch of people, like look at all of this, just in the last, let's see, all of this stuff, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and I deleted like 10 people that are like, I don't really want to talk to you, you're broke, I don't want to do business with you, and I don't like your mindset, all right? All of these people came in, striking up curiosity with what I've been posting. So for example here, like if I go to this video, I had like 17 people that dropped comments on it and were like giving huge opinions on it, okay? I had this one right here where there was only a couple people that engaged on it, but a lot of people are just coming to my profile, listening to what I'm saying, and then striking up conversations with me. And they're starting to ask me things like, Ben, what's your opinion on this? What's your opinion on this? Check it out here. Like this was an inbox I got. I love your page. I smashed that follow. I'm Jeff. If you have any questions, need anything, feel free to ask away. I love chatting, meeting new people. Great. This guy's like, how do I get clients as a beginner as Instagram marketing? I am focused on surgeons. How do I get them? Like he's asking good questions. He really wants to start a business. He really wants to grow his business. Somebody else like, how did you figure out what your love and passion is? I'm currently 17. I feel like I'm wasting a lot of time. Like clearly people are seeing that I care because I engage, all right? I take my niche, step 1. I provide excessive amounts of value, step 2. I show people by interacting with them, by making them part of my polls, my questions, my quizzes, chatting with them, replying to my comments, that I care. People see that, they go, oh my gosh, this person cares. They come to me, they strike up conversations, I convert those into sales. Hey Ben, what's the best way of selling shoutouts? I'm running a question poll to my audience, but I'm wondering blah, 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 blah. Hey Ben, I'm 16 and I've just gotten into entrepreneurship and e-commerce. I started dropshipping, made my first 3 sales the other day. I seem to be finding myself becoming off track or just not doing anything productive a lot of the time. Like, these are good. all right? Much better than those yay or nay, rate 1 to 100 type of comments. This is how you make money on Instagram, all right? Now, I'm pushing out tons of value all the time, every day. I've got 1, 2 posts out today. I've got multiple stories. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm always presenting offers. I'm always putting out good intent. I'm always putting a lot of effort into my content. Like, check this one out here, for example. I just put all these slides in here, right? All of these slides, okay? And people engage on it. They save the content. They engage with it, okay? If you're putting out content in one niche and being very specific about it, okay? People are going to approach you. It's going to strike up curiosity in them. You start showing that you care. You go out there and you network. You find the people engaging, leaving very heartfelt comments on accounts very similar to yours. It's gonna turn into income. And here's what happens is, I have a guy like, let's go here, okay? I have a guy, oh, by the way, like this lady here, she's a $32,000 client, all right? DM'd on Instagram. That's how the deal came in, okay? Let's go over here. Let me find Hill Vending Service. Here it is, Hill Vending Service, okay? Check this out. Like, scrolled down, blah, blah, did a little bit of work. Hey, do you still have spots available in your January training? I was doing a $4,500 in-person mentorship program. People are paying $4,500 coming in to fly in and work with me. Now, I said, yeah, I sent him the link, blah, 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 blah. We ended up talking a little bit more. And then he's just kind of getting a feel for what we're doing. He said, how much would you charge to come to Tampa to do one-on-one training for 1 to 2 days? So I said, here, this is what I would charge, $6,000. And he's like, cool, in, all right? Now come over here, just so you know I'm not BSing you with that, but here's the guy right here. You can see, look at that, all right? Hill Vending Service, Michael Hill, $49.97 payment, 1,000 payment, $59.97 in a single day off of one Instagram direct message. Now, you obviously saw other income in there, $15,000 in a single day through Instagram DMs. That is how to make money on Instagram. Now, if you're brand new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, all right? Make sure that you subscribe. I'm always dropping content about Instagram because it's been able to make me multiple 7 figures in the last couple of years. My members have earned over $10 million with it. If you'd like to be able to start taking advantage of that on Instagram, you do have the money to invest, you do have the time, and you take business seriously. There's a link in the description. You can register for the web class so you can begin to learn how to turn Instagram into income and start making money on Instagram, all right? So make sure you get your hands on that. Subscribe and tap that notification bell if you're brand new, and give me a follow. Feel free to connect with me on Instagram as well. I'll be happy to talk to you guys there, okay? I don't answer, hey, hi, yo, how are you? Please, sir, give me money. I don't answer any of that bullshit. I'll help you with everything else, okay? Hey, now let's talk about likes, okay? Instagram took away likes. Won't dive too deep into that here, but here's the thing. You don't need to worry about that, okay? You do not need to worry about that, all right? I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of advice when it comes to the likes. Look, likes don't equate to money. What equates to money is connecting with your audience, is connecting with your followers, building rapport with them, building relationship, and turning that relationship into a mutually beneficial, income-inducing activity that makes you income and creates them results. So don't worry about the likes. You want to find out more about why Instagram took away likes? Make sure to be watching out for my next video where I'm going to be talking about likes, and I'm going to be showcasing the comment of the week where I present a comment from one of the subscribers here on YouTube. You could be the next one, and using that as a teaching point to help you guys in your business and keep scaling. So subscribe, make sure to follow me at Ben Oberg on Instagram. Get your hands on the free web class so you can start learning how to make money with Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.